Hello and welcome to Dogs Lines channel. Today we are going to talk about facts and info of Corgi Husky mix. Corgi Husky mix or Husky Corgi mix is the result of crossbreed between Welsh Corgi and Siberian Husky. The breeding of Husky Corgi mix was tested for the first time back in 1930. The parent breeds of this dog are recognized by AKC, but this dog is not recognized by this organization. A Corgi Husky mix is a playful and people-loving dog. This dog comes in smaller size and is known as a cute dog in the world. The behavior of this dog is good for people and is best choice for the family with elder children. Appearance: the Corgi Husky mix is a small in size and lowest in weight. The legs of this dog are short and have a long back with bigger ears. The coat of this dog is fuzzy and has a round face with almond-shaped husky eyes. This dog looks much cute when it comes to pure white color. The cream color is also awesome when it comes to this dog. Size: Corgi Husky mix is smaller in the size as compared to its parents' breed. The average weight of this dog can be between 20 to 40 pounds, and the average height of this dog can be 13 to 60 inches. Colors: the coat of Corgi Husky mix comes in variety of colors. The popular and most common colors in Corgi Husky mix are orange, cream, white, black, blue, brown and red. The color of these dogs can be singular or tricolor. Coat: the coat of Husky Corgi mix also comes in variations. The coat of this dog, the coat of its parent breed Corgi can be long, and the coat of its second parent breed Husky can be the thicker and longer. A Corgi Husky mix can have coat like both its parent breeds. This dog has a double coat, means thick undercoat and long top coat. Temperament: we have described above that Corgi Husky mix is a popular in mixed dog breeds, which is crossbreed, and it's much difficult to say exact about temperament of this dog. In general, this dog is known as loyal and intelligent. This dog is deeply attached to its owner. This dog is friendly dog and has good behavior with strangers. This dog likes to bark and will much if you don't train it properly. This dog is also known as a companion dog and will irritate it if left alone. A Corgi Husky mix is also known as highly active dog. The behavior of Corgi Husky mix is excellent with the family members and kids. This dog loves to play with kids and other family members. We recommend you this dog if you have some children of young age. Training: Corgi Husky mix is a result of two working breeds, and this dog loves to please its owner. This dog is also intelligent and needs proper training. This dog is also one of the strong dogs, therefore you should train this dog with patience and motivation. You should never punish this dog. Corgi Husky mix is a dog that obeys the orders. Exercises: like all other mixed breeds, Corgi Husky mix also requires proper exercises. We had described above that this dog is highly active and needs almost 60 minutes of daily exercise. Let this dog play in yard. This dog needs to live indoors but love to play outdoors. The exercise of this dog at early stage of its age is useful for the health of its short legs and long back. You should never punish this dog. Food: Corgi Husky mix is known as healthy dogs. Like other breeds, the proper food and diet are necessary for good health of Corgi Husky mix. You should regularly provide food to these dogs, otherwise it will get ill. The food of this dog should be divided into 2 to 3 times a day. You should provide food that is full of nutrition and proper calories. Health issues: Corgi Husky mix has some serious health issues. Obesity is the common health problem in these dogs. This problem can be solved by proper care and training of these dogs. Shedding requirements. Corgi Husky Mix needs more grooming requirement and due to thick and double coat. You should take this dog to a regular groomer at least once a week. The coat of this dog is water resistant and it's not easy to bath off this dog. This dog has long featuring around necks, ears, tails and needs trimming after every for 45 days. Life Life expectancy. The parent breed of Corgi Husky Mix has life expectancy of 10 to 15 years and Corgi Husky Mix also has life expectancy of the same. We can expect life expectancy of Corgi Husky Mix 10 to 15 years. Average cost. The cost of Corgi Husky Mix is in the range of 800 US to 3500 US. If you want to read this post complete, visit doglines.com, and if you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.